A 30-year study of 10 million managers showed that nearly 80% of employees said their leadership team did not have a clear strategy for their organization. What do your employees say? Great strategy doesn't magically appear from PowerPoint decks or Excel spreadsheets. Great strategy starts with great conversations. When your leadership team meets to talk about strategy, is the conversation effective, efficient, and productive? Or are your strategy meetings more like bumper cars at a carnival where the team bounces from one random topic to the next, gets easily pulled in the tactical weeds of the business, and fails to focus on the truly important topics? During the past 25 years, I facilitated strategy conversations for executive leadership teams around the world, including Venice, Italy, Boise, Idaho, Paris, France, Bridgewater, New Jersey, and Barcelona, Spain. And I've discovered three truths. Number one, it takes the confidence and experience of an expert strategy facilitator to select the right tools and questions to guide the team into uncharted territory and come out with clear direction for the future of the business. Number two, only someone with true strategy expertise can ask the deeper level two and level three questions that lead to breakthrough insights. And three, new growth comes from new thinking. New thinking that I can spark through innovative and highly interactive strategy sessions that result in practical plans that will drive your team's daily activities and achieve your goals. I've worked as a chief strategy officer, professor of strategy, author of 8 books on strategy, and CEO who has facilitated hundreds of strategy workshops using my proprietary deep dive strategy process. If you're ready to bring in an expert to facilitate strategy conversations that will result in a 2-page strategic action plan, significant growth for your business, and enable your leadership team to maximize their strategic potential, please contact me today and we'll set up time to chat about your team's needs. They say hope is not a strategy, so let's get to work.